Blind, come on a nature walk with me in Vermont with Annika! Oh! Since we can't see, we're gonna do sounds and smells. It's pretty windy out though. Since I don't know where I'm going, I'm following her, and we're gonna have a sweet treat afterwards. Up to Annika, we had a collision. I walked into her. 35 miles into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Ugh. Phew. Phew. Marco! Polo. Marco. Polo. Road. 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 Rough, 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 rough. So we're gonna try and run and sneak up to Annika. Okay? 1, 2, 3. We made it past her. Candy Mountain, Charlie. Move your big head, Annika. Hey. I was like, it smells like, and then she said licorice, and I was like, yeah. You smell that? No. It smells like something burning. How long do you think we've been walking for? Like 20 minutes. 20? That's longer. No. I think that's longer. Oh, the poopy loopies. We are on concrete. I see the cheese factory. Pause to read the sign.
I found
a sheepy sheep.
Bye. Oh, he's back.
Why are you body shaming the sheep? Okay. Thank you. Road. Okay.